Hey everyone, it's Caitlin. I hope you're having a super fantastic day. Today I am bringing you a dinner recipe. Yes, that's right, dinner, not meal prep. And this recipe is honestly, as per my usual theme I suppose, incredibly easy to make. Just a few simple ingredients that you can chop up, put into a baking pan and throw it into the oven. And that's all she wrote with this one. And so this recipe is a sweet potato cheesy white bean bake. Really high in fiber, it's savory, it's just wonderful in general. And I really do hope that you enjoy this recipe, and I also hope that you try this out for yourself. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so I hope you just saw how incredibly easy this dish was to make, and I hope that you try this recipe out for yourself. I hope you let me know, if you do, how you liked it. I'm always just looking for some good feedback and everything, and also just give me a thumbs up, leave some comments down below. Anything that you have to share is greatly appreciated, seriously. So with all of that being said, I hope that you have yourself a super fantastic day, and I'll see you all later. Bye.